Okay, the second thing I need to do in my question is decide when is my boat floating. It will start floating when the depth is above 1.1 meters. So I'm going to add in a new line, and I'm going to put in that line y equals 1.1. Okay, so there is my new line. I don't know why it's come up with a slider, but we'll live with that. So we are now looking at these values here where the graph intercepts. Those 2 points there. After 3.9 hours, so nearly 4 o'clock in the morning was the last time the boat was floating. It carried on floating to 7:30, and then it will stop floating when the tide reaches 1.1 again at 11 o'clock, 11 hours and 0.82 minutes. Okay, it's going to start floating again here, which is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And because my graph is so even, it's going to stop floating again at 11 o'clock at night. So there is the way that we can solve these two equations by finding those intercept points and using those values back in my story. It starts floating at 3 o'clock, stops floating at 11 o'clock, 4 o'clock at 11 o'clock. So I put in my extra line, and then I look for where the two lines intercept each other. Thank you. I'll catch you next time.